Welcome to our English channel. I am K. Yasoda, PG Assistant in English, Sriviti Bharati Metric Higher Secondary School, Sakravalayam. Today, we are going to discuss about the grammar, voice, active voice and passive voice. Students, what is meant by voice? Listen, it means nothing but voice is the quality of the transitive verb that refers to the relationship between the verb and its subject. Yes. Before start the active and passive, listen the basic rules. Active to passive. Rule first. A sentence can be separated into subject, verb and object. Rule second. The object of the sentence must be turned into subject. Rule third. The be form must be used according to the tense of the verb. And rule 4. Preposition by must be added. Rule 5. The subject must be made the object. Okay, students, listen. Active and passive. I write a letter. I subject, write verb. A letter is the object. See? Change of subject. When active voice changed into passive voice, the subject of the active voice comes as the object of the passive voice. For an example, listen, subject, verb and object. Object here a letter, you know. Yes, object of the active sentence becomes subject in the passive sentence. For an example, a letter is the object. Should write here the subject. This is the change, the rule first. A sentence can be separated into subject, verb and object. Yes, a letter is written by me. Yes, we use this a letter is tense changes. And see this verb, write. You should write the verb 3. I mean past participle, verb 3. Write, verb 1. Wrote, verb 2. And written, verb 3. A letter is written, add by. Add by. By, I change to, I is the subject here. Change to me. This is the object. Yes, once again. A letter is written by me. Yes. See this formula, tense, active and passive. First one, simple present tense. I write a letter. A letter is written by me. Yes. Listen students, in this pronoun active and passive, I change to me. We change to us. You change to the same you. And he changed to him. She changed to her. It, the same it. They change to them. Yes. Listen students. See, present continuous. I am writing a letter. See, a letter is being written by me. Why we used is being written? Listen students, this is a present continuous formula. Am, is, or plus being plus verb 3. Am, is, or plus being plus verb 3. So that we use a letter is being written by me. Okay, see the next one. Simple past. Yes. I wrote a letter. Here verb. See the first sentence. I write a letter. This is the simple present. See simple past. I wrote a letter. Yes. Change into passive. Already you know very well. I subject. Wrote, verb, a letter is the object. Should write the object is the first, a letter. Now change the tense. Yes, a letter. This is a simple past, you know. A letter was, change the verb. For an example, write, wrote, written. A letter was written by me. Next one, past continuous. I was writing a letter. I was writing a letter. A letter was being written by me. In this past continuous sentence, listen students. Was or were plus being plus past participle verb 3. Was, were, being plus verb 3. Yes, listen. A letter was being written by me. See the present perfect. Formula, have or has. You should add been plus verb 3. Have or has. You should add been plus verb 3. Present perfect. I have written a letter. A letter has been written by me. A letter has been written by me. In this, yes, past perfect. See, I had written a letter. A letter had been written by me. See this? Simple future. Yes, listen students, formula will or shall plus be plus verb 3. Will or shall plus be plus verb 3. See, in this simple future, I will write a letter. Already I told will or shall, you must add be. Yes, I will write a letter. I will tell the passive changes. A letter will be written by me. Yes, future we going to listen. I am going to write a letter. A letter is going to be written by me. Students already you know very well modals. See, can good, shall should, will would, may, might and must. These are the modals. Yes. Here we use must. I must write a letter. A letter must be. Yes. Students, in these modals, auxiliaries, you use the be. For an example, I must write a letter. A letter must be written by me. Yes. Students, next one, modal in this perfect. I should have written a letter. A letter should have been written by me. Okay. See, hereafter we have to discuss some examples. Listen students. The boys are catching butterflies. The boys subject or catching verb, butterflies object. Active voice pattern is subject, verb and object. See students, first of all you should write the object is the first. Butterflies are being caught by the boys. Catch, caught, caught. Catch verb 1, caught verb 2 and verb 3 also caught. So that butterflies are being caught by the boys. In this passive voice pattern already you know very well. Object verb plus subject, by plus subject, auxiliary plus main verb. These are the three differences in a passive voice sentence. See, changes in verbs in the passive voice. Simple present in this active, break or breaks. Verb or verbless yes, verb plus es sometimes. Changes into passive is or broken. Simple past, broke. In this passive, was or were broken. Simple future, will or shall break. Yes, passive will be or shall be broken. Present continuous sentence, is or are breaking. In this passive, is or are being broken. And past continuous, was or were breaking. Was or were being broken. There is no passive in the future continuous sentence, only simple. Will or shall, you should add be plus verb 3. Okay. See, the present perfect, only the passive, has or have should add been plus verb 3. In this past perfect, has or have broken. Had been broken is the passive. Future perfect, had broken. Yes. Sorry students, future perfect will have broken. In this passive will have been broken. Yes. Present perfect continuous, there is no passive and active. Past perfect continuous sentence, for an example, in this active has been breaking. Future perfect had been breaking. Yes. Future perfect continuous sentence will have been breaking. Listen students, see this sentence. The gardener has watered the plants. Has watered, listen, it's changed to have been watered. Plants, this is a plural form. Listen the answer. The gardener subject has watered verb. The plants is the object. Should write the object is the must. Okay. The plants have been watered by the gardener. Yes. See the second one. Statement with the two object. Already you know. Yes. Santa Claus is distributing sweets to the children. Listen students, sweets, this is the direct object. Children, this is the indirect object. Is distributing changed to or being distributed. For example, you have to take two, direct object or indirect object, your wish. See, sweets are being distributed to the children by Santa Claus. Yes, now you have to take the indirect object also. Children are being distributed sweets by Santa Claus. Okay, see the next one. Statesman with the indefinite subject. Someone stole my cycle. Yes, stole. Change to was stolen. My cycle was stolen. Statements in passive that don't take by before subject. For an example, the jug contains milk. Students listen. Contains. Change to is contained. First of all write the subject. Milk is contained in the jug. Next one. His words displeased me. Displeased. Change to was displeased. I was displeased at his words. The third one. This news has alarmed us. Has alarmed. Change to have been alarmed. We have been, already you know very well, us change to we. We change to us in the active and passive. Here us given you know. Yes, passive to active, us change to we. We have been alarmed at this news. This story interests me. Interest change to am interested. I am interested in this story. Imperative sentence, first of all you have to learn the formula students. Let plus subject plus be plus verb 3. Let plus, you know here object formula let plus object plus be plus verb 3 past participle. Change your shirt. This is example. Change your shirt. Let your add let. In this imperative sentence add let. Yes. Your shirt be changed. Students, I will tell another one example for you. Open the door. Yes. Once again I will tell the formula. Let plus object plus be plus verb 3. Yes. Open the door. Let the door be opened. One more example for you. Don't beat the dog. Let the dog not be beaten. Yes. Check the tickets. Let the tickets be checked. Don't give a wrong answer. Let not a wrong answer be given. Never tell a lie. Let a lie not be told, or let not a lie be told. In this request, for an example, please tell me your address. You use let here, imperative formula let. Let your address be told me. Next one, kindly do me a favor. You have to add let here. Let a favor be kindly done me. Students, all of you note it. Take down. Transformation in questions. Who? Students listen. Who will help you? WH type of questions given. Who will help you? Will help. Changed. Will be helped. For an example, first of all you should write by. WH type you know. By whom will you be helped? This is a very important questions. Once again. By whom will you be helped? Next one. Who has done this subject? Has done. Change to has been done. By whom has this job been done? Once again I will tell the answer. By whom has this job been done? Next one, very very important. Who scolded you? Scolded change to were scolded. Why? Yes. By whom were you scolded? Yes. Already given scolded verb 3, but you should write the same verb 3. Scolded, scolded. By whom were you scolded? Next one, do, does or did questions. For an example, do, does, we use the present. Present tense, singular object or plural or object. Singular object means is, plural object means are. Past tense we use did. Did is the past tense. Singular object means was and plural object means were. See the example, students. Does. Does the cat like milk? Does like is changed to is liked. First of all, write the answer. Is milk liked by the cat? Once again, is milk liked by the cat? Does the bird feed its catchlings? Does feed or change to or fed? Or you should write the or. Or its hatchlings fed by the bird. Do the patients take medicine regularly? Do plus verb 1. Do take. Change to is taken. Should write is. Is medicine taken by the patients regularly? Add question mark also. Next one, did. Did little Amar break the glass? Did break change to was broken. Was the glass broken by little Amar? Very, very important. Was the glass broken by little Amar? Did the host invite the guest? Did invite change to were invited? Were the guest invited by the host? Students, next one, has, have and had questions. Has, have, had plus object plus been plus verb plus by plus subject. It's very, very important rule for you. Has the peon arranged the files? Has arranged change to have been arranged. See, have the files been arranged by the peon. Once again, have the files been arranged by the peon. Second one, have the students written their homework? Have written change to has been written. Has their homework been written by the students? Has their homework been written by the students? Next one. Had the government sanctioned the bills? Had sanctioned, had been sanctioned. For example, had the bill been sanctioned by the government? Question mark. Next one, WH question, students. WH plus auxiliary plus object plus verb plus by plus subject is very, very important rule. What will they see tonight? Will see change to will be seen. Will see change to will be seen. Answer, what will be seen by them. Why them we used? Because they changed to them into passive. Students, what will be see? We change to seen. Why? See, saw, seen. This is the verb 3. What will add be? Is this a simple future, will or shall? You must add be into passive sentence. What will be seen by them tonight? Why shouldn't I buy chocolates? Shouldn't buy. Change to should not be bought. Buy, bought. This is a verb 3. Why shouldn't chocolates bought by me? Next one, how do cell phones keep the youth occupied? Do keep. Answer, or kept. Yes. How are the youth kept occupied by cell phones? Next one, whose and which question, students. Whose or which object plus auxiliary plus verb plus by plus subject. Whose shop did the minister open during his visit? Did open change to was opened. Whose shop was opened by the minister during his visit? Which essay have they selected? Have selected change to has been selected. Answer, which essay has been selected by them? Students, in your 11th standard book bag, very, very important, all of you take notes. The pilot flew the airplane to Bangalore. In this active, change into passive. The airplane was flown by Bangalore by the pilot. Students, listen the rule, subject, verb and object. The pilot subject, flew, the verb, the airplane, this is the object. Already 2 object given. Yes. The airplane was flown. This is the verb 3. Was the tense changes. Flown verb 3 to Bangalore by the pilot. Yes. Next one. The bananas were eaten by the monkey. Change to passive. The monkeys. Sorry students, change into active. Already given the passive, change into active. The monkeys ate the bananas. Yes. Next one, Muhammad follows the rules. The rules are followed by Muhammad. Mohan has completed the course. The course has been completed by Mohan. Next, Magdalene is singing the prayer. The prayer is being sung by Magdalene. Who wrote this complaint? By whom was the complaint written? May God bless you with happiness. May you be blessed with happiness by God. A house is being constructed by them. Yes, students, this is the passive. Change into active. Them change to they. They are constructing a house. Let the door not be slammed. This is the imperative sentence. Yes. Imperative formula once again I remember for you. Let plus object plus be plus verb 3. Yes. Students, don't slam the door. This is the answer. Question, let the door not be slammed. Don't slam the door. The team was trained by the coach. The coach trained the team. Next one, Tagore Award Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize was awarded to Tagore. IIM Ahmedabad established in 1961. IIM Ahmedabad was established in 1961. Next, Chhattisgarh formed 2000. Chhattisgarh was formed in 2000. First passenger train inaugurated India 1853. The first passenger train was inaugurated in India in 1853. Indian Airlines set up 1953. The Indian Airlines was set up in 1953. Okay students, now I will give some examples to you. All of you write, take down. First one, write the example. First one, the manager appointed many office assistants. Students listen. The manager appointed many office assistants. Answer. The manager subject, appointed verb. Many office assistants the object. Yes. Students, many office assistant. Answer. I will tell the answer. Many office assistant were appointed by the manager. Once again, many office assistants were appointed by the manager. Students, second one. You are making a cake now. A cake is being made by you. A cake is being made by you. Question once again. You are making a cake now. A cake is being made by you. The third question. The portrait was painted by the grandmother. The portrait was painted by my grandmother. Answer. My grandmother painted that portrait. Next one students. Rosie will solve the problem. Rosie will solve the problem. I will tell the answer. The problem will be solved by Rosie. Okay. Next one students. The salesman answered all the questions patiently. Once again I will tell you. The salesman answered all the questions patiently. Listen students, the salesman subject, answered verb, all the questions patiently is the object. When you change it active to passive, should write the object is the first, All the questions were patiently answered by the salesman. Okay students, thank you to one and all. Presented by K. Yashoda, PG Assistant in English, Sri Vidyabharati Metric High Secondary School, Sakrambalayam. Thank you students.